It sounds simple, and frankly, it's what you pay for every month. Your house gets damaged, so you call your insurance company, you file a claim, they cut you a check. It's that easy, right? If only. Turns out that first call can play a very big role in your claim and that ultimate payment. And with the average homeowner loss totaling $7,400, that is a big deal. Money Magazine's Amanda Gangler back with us this morning with 4 things you should never, ever say to your home insurance company. These are tips everyone needs to write down this morning. Good to have you back with us.
Thank you.
We want to preface this by saying you're not advocating that anybody lie to their insurance company, but you should really think about the way you phrase things.
Exactly. We should make it clear we're not saying to lie to your insurer. We're also not saying if you say one of these phrases that your claim will automatically be denied or delayed. The people at the website insure.com actually helped us put together this list just to say, look, sometimes people say things that can actually cause their claim to be delayed for weeks, particularly if you make the insurer suspicious of fraud. So it's just best, learn the insurance industry lingo, keep that claim on track.
So in terms of learning the lingo, here are the buzzwords they're going to be looking out for. Don't say, I think, when you're talking to an adjuster. Say, I don't know.
You don't want to guess. Guessing is just a bad idea. Let's say, for example, that you suggest that a water leak is due to some type of construction defect. Well, that may actually be an exclusion in your policy, so you've just given the insurer an out, and you don't even know if it's true.
Okay, so I don't know how the leak happened in my basement. And speaking of basement, you don't want to tell them my basement flooded. You want to say, perhaps, my basement is full of water.
There's a very specific definition of flood in the insurance world. It's water from a nearby body of water, a lake, a stream, a river.
Not the washing machine that overflows.
So if there's a leak in the home, you come home, your floor is full of water, you don't want to pick up the phone and say to the insurer, my basement is flooded. You just want to describe there is a leak, it's full of water. Again, it's something that could be worked out in the questioning later
Still,
on.
though, a great
just don't
point.
bring up the issue.
I never would have thought of that. Also, don't say my home was damaged, how much is my deductible? Instead, you just go straight to the how much is my deductible?
Well, that's if you don't know it.
surprising.
I mean, here's the problem. Too often people call up their insurer and say, my fence was damaged last night, how much is my deductible? Well, then they decide not to make the claim because it's actually cost less to fix the fence themselves than the amount of the deductible.
Gotcha.
But guess what? When you do that, you've already told them then about the damage so it can go on your record.
We only have about 20 seconds. The last one, though, don't say just send me a check. Say I need to get it fixed immediately.
Don't emphasize that you need the money. It could make them suspicious that you're actually going to use the money for something else, that it's not a legit claim. Just stress, I need to get it fixed as soon as possible.
All right, Amanda, some great tips. Good to have you back with us this morning.